Sweet 17, go on.
We're bugging out, chaps. That's a shot Dave's been looking for, a bit of lightning through the tornado. I'm sure he'd thank you for a coffee.
I think there's a lot of hail in there.
Yeah.
Come on, 17.
Come on. Let's go do it.
Yeah, oh, this is going to be beauty if it happens. Come on.
Hazards are on. Are we stopping?
Yeah. Gonna watch that baby come down, give birth to 17.
How far away is that?
Quite away.
Yeah, a couple of miles.
I am not getting that.
Nope.
Look at the motion on it.
Whoa. Which way is that going?
I don't know. At us.
Whoa. Oh, hello. That's pretty close.
It's definitely come near us in the last few minutes.
This is coming towards us.
There's got a lot of hail in it.
Vortices at the side of it as well.
Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah.
Right, we're backing up.
Yeah. Now we're going forward.
We need to make a decision.
Wait.
Come on, do something.
It's alright. It's going in front of us though.
In this area till 7:45 p.m.
Cheers for that.
CET. Take shelter now. Check local media. NWS.
Look at the skies.
I think shelter's out of the question.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot of greenage coming our way.
That's the first hell. Yeah.
Yep. Oh, window shut.
Window.
We have to ride this out, aren't we? Yeah.
So, chance to lose the winds.
I wouldn't have thought so. It's non-zero.
All cacaos.
Oh, it's on the ground. There's stuff kicked up on the ground.
17.
They've all been ugly since number 10, for me.
Yeah.
The rain is now sweeping across the wall cloud.
How far away is that?
So, quite a way away. Yeah, it's moved away.
I'm not nervous, I'm just a bit... That came out as fast.
Do you want to use this? Well, it doesn't charge it very fast, mine.